Um, Enna.
Yeah, hey y'all. Today, me and my boy Salva here is gonna play Enna's Dream Barbecue for the first time. So it's gonna be a blind reaction. Now, personally have seen like all the fucking Enna series, but that's like been a bit. So I haven't.
I have not seen any of the Enna series, so I have no idea what I'm getting into.
So basically, we got partially no, and we got full on blind. So this is gonna be
I
a
mean,
unique perspective here.
I talked to someone who's really into Enna, but haven't gotten that much of info off of him.
You can rattle anything off of him. Alright, whatever. Um, I'm okay. I'm presuming that Either way, I'm presuming this is kind of like a new, sort of separate from the web series. So, at least that's what I'm hoping.
If we're wrong, then execute us.
Bomb them. All right. Anyways, I appreciate it. Okay, so we got the hey text. Okay, this is mostly just Japanese. What are you up to? Come on, get those eyes back to work. Ooh. Alright, we could adjust volume.
Ooh, I love this intro. It's so ominous.
Okay, yeah, hold on. I'll slide it up a bit. I think that about this is good. Yeah. Okay, I don't know why I clicked that. Hold on, let me pull up Discord again. Okay, there you go. Alright. Okay, we're good on this. Confirm. Get your eyes working. Okay, to the left face is visible. Okay, well, the left face is visible, so I think we're good on that part, right? Let's
Yeah.
Just. Alright, we're good. Whoa!
Damn. Now that's an intro.
Alright. So let's see, we got. Oh, well, alright, got you. Okay, well.
Remove those legs, bitch.
Alright, fine. I'm just gonna move forward. It's a bit creepy. It's a bit scary.
Alright, we're gonna destroy. What the fuck?
No, we good. No, we good.
I like it.
We good. We got run.
Run! No! Move!
He's asserting his dominance. Oh fuck. Oh
You
fuck.
stupid bitch!
Oh my. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. He freaky.
Look.
I'm going this way. Okay, that probably might be a bad idea, but fuck. Ooh. Hold on. There's fucking lanterns. Oh, hold on.
Oh shit.
There's a fucking bed here. Oh, E? Door?
That is not a door. I don't know what. Do we have to look at that guy? Okay, he's finally gone. Okay, so we're in Ultra Kill now?
This is more like LSD Dream Simulator. Right.
Same game. That was a door? What?
Dog.
Who is Hambone?
Oh. Oh, hey, there's like two to two.
Oh, it's Enna.
So that's it.
Hope you don't mind, but could you tell me
Where the hell is the boss?
Oh.
Enna is searching for the boss, apparently.
I am the boss.
Okay.
Okay, so.
I am not the boss, nor a penguin, but in fact, the great Dracula. I am not nuts. I am Dracula.
What are your pain points? What's your problem? What are our business struggles today? Let me help you invest in your future.
これだらてのマルチで何か難しいこと言ってくれないんだ。めまいがしそうだ。
No! Just tell me about this dumb job already!
仕事に積極的なのか。そりゃいい。いい心がけだ。いや、そうだな。よく聞いてくれ。
Okay.
時間はだいぶかかったが、このおしゃべりはなんとかボスの居場所を突き止めた。だが一つ問題があるとすれば、お前は遅すぎた。だからそこに滅びた身の始末。
Oh shit.
時間が残ってないんだ。
Huh, seems I am out of the loop. Shall we review the job description?
まあ、あんたのその変な言葉遣いで言うとすれば、俺たちが狙ってるのはボスの腹渡だな。
Aiming for the boss's gut.
最大のワークターゲットってとこかな。
Understood. Aim for the target.
そう。なんだこれ誰だタバコ吸ってるの。ダメだダメだ。このスモークのせいで肺がどうにかなっちまう。もうタバコのスモークは大嫌いだ。最悪だ。
Holy shit.
Let's arrange an ambush at the scene. Could you point out the boss's location?
こっちだ。こっちこっち。こっちに来い。見ろ。あの島が見えるか。ボスはどうやらあそこに住んでるらしいんだ。な。だがまずはこのスモークを消し去ることが先かもな。
Alright.
で、取引成立か?
Why is there an eye in the sky?
What? Title card!
Okay. I can tell he's gonna be your most drug-filled series yet.
そして受付を見つけるんだ。どうすれば肺をパンクさせずにボスの元にたどり着けるのかを必ず聞くんだ。
That is most categorically doable.
Why? Okay, our job started now.
Okay,
Cool.
so we need to go back. We need to find the receptionist, apparently. I don't want to talk to his ass.
I don't want to talk to him either, dude.
Aha! Okay, yeah, here you go. Okay, so what else we got? Oh! This is just dialogue.
Shut up.
And, okay, I'm not sure what that's for. Okay, but I like how the fucking menu, the fucking little, like, little quest menus, it's a fucking pamphlet. Nah, that's nice.
I can already tell this is gonna be an experience.
Alright, well, let's go back. We need to find out who's smoking. No, smoke's coming from this
Shit,
way.
he's smoking all the za, bro.
Alright.
Also, this beat.
Oh. Ugh. Slot machines. They feed on hope. I mean, fair. Alright, let's see. We got... Ooh, okay, we could talk to these guys. The other day I went to the
lonely.
No, okay, you.
The other door, I went to the lonely door, and it gave me a big gruesome hug. Where would we all be without the doors? I don't fucking know. You tell me.
Alright, we got guy with legs.
What is wrong with his voice?
One last game!
One
and
last.
No.
Now you do it.
Yeah, one last game and the headers in the crowd door. Hear about some crazy contest with some great retribution inside. Okay. What about
Cool. That one. Listen to yourself. You don't even make sense. Typical Rena.
Oh. So
Remove the R bit.
no.
Or Rena. I don't know the lore of this series, okay?
Have you seen a lonely door? Honestly, it's kinda smoking hot. What, it had like tits or something?
It seems like my type of game.
All right, I think this might be the receptionist.
Did I catch you at an okay time?
Ah, encore vous? Allez-vous-en! Vous suintez la pauvreté. Allez manger des plats surgelés, sale limace à col rose.
I'm afraid that
Jeez, calm down.
polluting our lungs.
Let's cut the crap. Yes, we'll get rid of it for us so I can deal with the man in charge. Quoi? J'espère que vous racontez des conneries de prolétaires. Vous arrivez trop tard. Le boss n'est même pas
Not even born yet? What is this Homestuck? What the fuck?
Maintenant, revenez quand vous serez plus riche. Misérable mendiante pouilleuse démunie sans un sou et pochée comme les blés.
Well, who else is involved in the decision making?
Ah, c'est reparti avec les questions, c'est ça? Vous m'avez l'air très problématique. Are you poor with words or what? Let's talk, you cheap assistant! Pauvre? Bas de gamme? Moi?
Worry not. You are still a child of God.
Vous jouez avec
What? I'm sorry.
mademoiselle. Bon, écoutez, les genies sont les seuls à pouvoir arrêter la smoke. Tout ce qui se cache derrière les portes de cet endroit chante leur gloire. Et n'essayez même pas de manquer de respect aux portes.
Bless you for your business.
Hey, we did it.
We did okay.
All right. Got it. Dope. Wait, does it say dope?
It says cope.
I can kind of see that. Cope. All right. What else? We got these guys. The door is restricted for the time being. All right.
For the alrighty, whatever. What the fuck? I'm gonna be saying what the fuck so many times in this game, dude.
Okay. Ooh. All right. Good to know.
I don't
I'll
care.
come back when I'm not a scammer. All right.
We'll always be spamping G spamping.
No shot.
えなあんたの会話忌々しいジーニーとドアについて聞いてたんだがね、もしあんたが探しに行くっていうんなら俺は一緒には行けないみたいだ。
What the fuck?
このスモークのせいで
Freaky thing.
How your feet hurt?
だからジーニーを見つけるのはあんた次第ってことになる。また連絡するよ。
Heal, heal, frog.
Ping me in some moments.
All right. Gotcha. We gotta get rid of the smoke. Find the source of the smoke. Got you. Can we okay, we can't interact with the whatever the fuck those are. But not gonna lie, this shit kinda jazzy as hell.
Yo. Who did the Energy Barbecue soundtrack? That's Cerberus Ultra Kill.
I think you want to get out. Alright, so we need to get to the... Man, why not?
Who are you, children?
I am the boss.
Boss of what? Hogwash?
Ah, Anna. Unpopular everywhere, aren't you? I have studied Anna for a long time.
Say, are you a professional stalker? Don't take it personally.
No. Common mistake, but sad mistake. Stalker entities are inside crowd door, begging for autographs, for fame. No Piero the Genie equals no town.
Crowd door, is it? Sounds like we've got a busyness there, huh?
Shut the fuck up!
You are unwelcome at the door. Piero the Genie is an entity with deviant tastes. Just like me.
Okay.
No,
Whatever you say, buddy.
when did this get here, dog?
The pig was always there.
What do you
You're
mean?
just you're acting crazy right now.
Alright, whatever.
No, but no, genuinely, the pig was always there. You just didn't notice it.
Okay, whatever. I can talk to it.
You're not fooling anyone, fraud!
Ну да, твоя правда. Меня звать Кейт, а ты вот Энн. Я тебя тут миллион раз видывал. Тут что, фестиваль простаков и простачек? Ну да ладно, ты видал уже одинокую дверь? Я от нее тащусь. Ох, не дождусь отправиться вплавь и добросовестно тусить, нарушая все законы. Вот в этот раз я точно повстречаю туалет.
Bathroom? You must be talking about the genie, true?
Джеги? Как странно ты называешь туалет.
Alright.
Okay, well, I like Kane.
Alright, thank you, Goober.
Little scribbler.
Alright, I guess I gotta get it. I mean, come on, we might as well, Doc. Okay,
You might as well talk to everyone. What is?
죄송해요. 저한테 할 말 있으세요?
Do you want me to turn around and roll my window down?
혹시 얘기할 사람이 그렇게 필요하시다면 제가 뱉을 수 있는 단어가 몇 가지 있는 것 같습니다. 저는 여기 온 지 얼마 안 됐어요. 여기에서 사람들이 내가 해야 한다고 생각하는 일을 하라고 저를 고용했거든요.
You look like a fellow entrepreneur. Let me shake your hand and collect your genius germs.
죄송해요. 제 업무표에 따르면 악수는 제가 하는 일에 포함되어 있지 않습니다.
Doggy
What?
오늘은 단지 새로운 호스트와 지니의 취임식을 준비할 수 있는 누군가를
The
찾기
horse
위해
store?
저를 고용하였습니다. 혹시 그런 사람을 아신다면 가능한 빨리 그 사람의 혈액 샘플을 저한테 팩스로 보내주세요.
Oh.
I love that number.
Yeah, that's my favorite number. Alright.
Jesus Christ, other drugs.
Okay, so this must be a door then. This door seems to be out of order for the moment. Nice.
I guess everything is a door here.
Okay, so then what about you? You don't have like a thing on you, don't you? Ooh, the lonely door.
It's the lonely door. Wait, I think I've seen this clip before. I think I've seen this clip of the lonely door, I think. Yep. Most normal moment in Anna.
No. Alright. Just loading up. Loading up.
Just give it a sec.
Loading up. Okay.
Okay. Where the fuck are we?
So that's a good question. Oddly, you have some
Literally me.
変に思うかもしれないな。このドアの
You're fucking crazy.
やつについて俺は何も聞いてないんだよ。なんだかどうも臭い気がするんだがね。にしてもここはナフタリン臭くてかなわんな。
Let's think on it. Gather info and ask questions. I will provide us with the factual truth about this G.
え？バスルーム？あんた急に何言ってんだ？まあいいや、別にいたらいいんじゃないか。ただし仕事をサボるためにそこにとどまったりはするなよ。その手口を俺はよく知ってる。
All right, now we just want to go to the bathroom.
All right, let's take a piss.
Can we even? I don't know.
We gotta find one, I guess.
Oh, okay, that's freaky. Look at that. Looks like a face.
Ooh.
But it's in fact not a face. It's actually a.
It's a face. It's probably just a face, Sam.
Ew, what's this?
Someone's gonna crash through the window, I swear to. Oh.
Okay. I'm just gonna
Well,
go in here. Oh.
New area.
Oh, is this the pisser? This isn't the bathroom.
Smoke room.
All right, we got new fauna. Oh, okay. What are you?
Bus stops are a good way to travel around here, but they need the essence of your blood to identify you, of course. What?
Do I bleed? Alright, okay,
Good question. Does Anna bleed?
Okay, well, this one has exclamation marks. That means these guys are important.
Excuse me, Miss Boss Lady. Are you looking for the bathroom too?
I am no longer the boss. However, I can teach you to grow your own one in a few short steps.
That is amongst the weirdest spells I've ever heard from a witch.
Do you, by the chance of chances, know how to reach the genie?
She said bathroom.
Shh, let me talk.
She said bathroom.
Let's not make any compromises. I must get rid of this smoke to reach the boss. And it looks like this bathroom could be the key to our business's success.
Actually, one of us went looking for the bathroom and promptly got lost.
This is exactly why we should have gone to the purge of it. We could have tried going to the bathroom from there.
Psst. We should go home. I am allergic to peasants.
I got that reference. Hey!
Say, you seem like an entity who loves overworking themselves. And we share the same final destination. Kind of. Would you be so kind to help us find our friend? I'll reward your hard work with something that could be useful in that, business of yours you like so much.
All right.
Let's go. So these are these side quests?
Horrible choice, but precise. Anyway, the last time we saw her, she said she'd ask for directions inside of Seal House.
Oh no! What if she's already bloodless inside there?
Don't you remember?
What? I'm the spirit phone.
Opposite direction.
Settle down, ladies. Maybe someone gave her fake directions. That's your cue, Miss Ina.
Time to get to work.
Damn.
Yo, why is Anna so cool though?
Yes. All right. Let's see. So, okay. Have you seen this witch? Have you seen this bitch? All right. Okay. I still have no idea what the fuck those mean. All right. Okay. Last scene at the seal house. All right. Note to self: find anything that looks like a seal and a house. All right. Ooh, this guy also has exclamation marks.
私がボスなのです。
That's inaccurate.
気にしないことです。にしてもしなくてよい。伏せるべし。
Could you tell me everything you know about this genie?
Never shit.
Whoa!
Babies or pets?
両方とも同じです。二つの存在、同じ人生。二つは魂の伴侶。それは4ついるのです。どうか見つけてくだされ。そうすれば、たんまり銭を使わしましょうぞ。目に銭。
Okay, so we got another side quest. Are we gonna do all side quests?
I mean, shit, might as well.
どっちで汚すことが好
They-
きなのです。この情報を使ってあなたの好きなように動いてみなされ。
I'll be right with you.
Cool. Got a new job.
Alright, so like... Oh, alright, I see. So yeah. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby. I want my baby back, baby back, baby, my baby back ribs. Anyways. What you gotta say?
Funny story. I saw an old woman fall victim to the deceit of that unstable old man at the Steel House.
That is kind of funny.
That's fucking hilarious.
The sham man in the sea house?
Sham man in Steel House. Please have mercy and say nothing to him. I've already heard enough gibberish.
Alright.
Yeah, fucking everyone here speaks gibberish.
Alright. Let's take a look around.
Is that a fucking actor?
Alright, how about this thing? What's that?
What?
Oh no, non un altro. Guarda, mia signora, non passerai. Possiedo
Milady, oh fuck.
stamattina.
I'm the anthology anomaly! Step back, jackpot!
Ehi, 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 ascolta qui, cortigiana onesta. Ho appena vissuto il giorno peggiore della mia vita. Va bene? Ho combattuto 3 volte. No, 4. No, no, 5 volte. Mi sono lasciato con la mia ragazza. Ucciso mio fratello.
Whoa! Whoa!
Do we want to revive this guy?
Mi scuso, mia signora. Le cose non sono state le stesse per me. Quella strega urlante ha attraversato il mio ponte.
Hey, pal! My sympathy is gonna cost you for every condolence.
Damn!
Aspetta. Condoglianze? Mia signora pensa che mi piaccia tutto questo? Essere una...
Stop saying milady!
È uno scherzo. Hai qualche idea? Qualche idea di quanto sia stressante questo lavoro? Ad esempio, hai pensato qualcosa così intensamente per 10 minuti all'improvviso diventa il tuo regalo preferito? Mi è successo al dannato
Oh, Jesus.
orgoglio. Era così vergognoso. Ok, guarda. Vedi quell'edificio distrutto e vedi quel gentiluomo là dentro?
Yeah.
Il giovane ha tenuto d'occhio le mie proprietà per tutto il tempo.
Alright.
Vuole sicuramente rubare le mie proprietà. Ma non è questo il punto. Voglio che smetta di guardarmi. Se trovi un modo per coprirgli gli occhi o qualcosa del genere, io farò... No, potrei darti la mia gratitudine. Qualunque cosa, non lo so.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, so we gotta get that. We have to kill that. You have to kill that bitch.
Perfetto. Ora smetti di guardare le mie proprietà e vola via.
Alright. So, I mean, he's close. So you might as well. What the fuck is this? What?
Miss. Edit. Why did he? Miss, can you smell it? A terrible deed was committed here.
What?
Oh.
Is the fucking house talking to me? Whoa! Holy fuck! Holy shit!
I saw it! I saw everything! Today, man has been forced to desist from his neighbors.
What a who could dare?
You heard me! Jenna! I've seen the heads of this entity being kidnapped not microseconds ago. You must find and free his head from the criminal misdemeanor. He should be back at work.
Of course. Delighted to help a business fellow.
God, Jesus! Dude, we're racking up jobs like it's fucking pills.
Dude, I mean, that's presumably the point of the game. You do jobs, I guess.
Yeah. So,
And
kill
to try to
that
fucking kill the boss
man's
with
stare, and for the economy. Okay.
We work to earn.
Yo, I could jump.
Okay, good to know. You can jump. Get up. No, you dumbass.
That's with a silent D, Sabo.
Okay, well. He doesn't grasp my goal. Loyal beyond death itself.
Anything else?
I don't understand. I need to get back to my duty.
Is that it?
Can't stay here. I'll be back to work soon.
Is that it?
I want to go back.
Is that it?
I'm so tired, Finn.
Okay, oh, he just repeats. Alright.
Okay, now he's repeating. Okay, we gotta find a way to get him to stop being in whatever trance he's in.
Alright. Okay. Alright. Hello there.
What kind of...
I disagree.
Oh.
Guys, wait! I'm not doing what you say I'm doing! I'm not doing anything!
What the fuck?
What?
What is it?
Okay, we're helping a merchant, I guess, by buying...
Okay, well, we don't have any money. Not for Ina, not for Ina, not for Ina. So, the only thing we can get is fucking mayonnaise.
Well, we don't even have whatever the currency is.
Oh,
Cho-
chocolates. Sounds enough money. Alright, got it.
Well, we ain't buying shit then.
Maybe you know how to get chocolates?
I'm going to purchase some water at the vending machine before directing myself to the purge event. Hangovers in the afterlife can make you real thirsty. Are these fuckers dead?
Am I?
Is everyone dead? Is this the afterlife?
This is a...
I don't...
Everyone wants to go to the bathroom, but no one wants to die to reach it. Cowards!
Jeez.
Alright. Well,
What's with these pants, fellas? They got zirconium pants, they sure do.
What the fuck, you?
May I offer you a divestment opportunity?
Divestment? Are you making fun of my unemployment lives? I don't care. Don't care. Go away. What? You are Ana? You have a job?
It's more of a lifestyle. That's my destiny. What more could I do?
I'm nice to you, and this is the thanks I get.
What? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the?
I'm joking. Fell for it, didn't you?
I don't like this kid.
Could you keep it down, please?
What?
You know, I'm pretty good at organizing words. I should be the CEO of organizing events or something.
Oh, get the fuck away from me.
Yeah, stay away from me. I don't like you.
Oh, yucky.
Why did she turn scary?
Why are you scary?
That's a Titanic.
I think that's where we came from. Okay, what the fuck even?
I'm so confused.
And scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Wait, oh shit, it's one of the pets. Oh fuck. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, jump it, Sam. Pet cop.
Pet? Babies, pets, tonight's dinner, no one is served. Well, I'm sorry for one thing for show. What the fuck? Okay, well, I see another one. He's on top of that fucking... Okay. Alright. Oh, let me get that pet real quick. Let me get pet cop.
Yeah, let's pet cop.
Okay, and plus we probably need the money though, because that way we could get the vending machines vending thing. And then we could use that vending machine vending thing to do whatever else. For the economy. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay. Well, how the fuck do we even do this? Mysteries and forces have dragged off heads of the only tax driver that's this town's got. The damage of the economy must be reversed. Okay. I'll figure that out later. Okay, is there any more pets anywhere? Okay.
Any more tiny little fuckers?
Ooh. I'm pretty sure I could. Okay, yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh, okay. We're in a cave now. I'm just gonna accept that we're in a cave now.
Okay, do we want to go? Oh, no, I want to follow the blood. Maybe because that's where another pet could be. What? Oh, okay.
I guess trust him. Nothing bad could happen.
Are you leading me to blood? Who is he? Who was MF? Who was MF?
Who's that fucker?
Okay, over here.
Oh, it's a pet.
Pet. Okay.
Ooh,
I could take the long way around.
that's fine.
Let's take the whole day off. Let's take the whole day. There we go. Alright. We just need one more pet. And we're good. Where's that ghost fucker? I saw that ghost guy in here, so like maybe I just need to follow the stream.
Yeah.
The heads! Sava, it's the heads for the economy.
Alright. How do we get up?
Is that us?
Wait. That might be us, dude.
Dude, what the fuck is happening? Can I... Yeah, okay, we can't get in the window.
We're gone. We were gone. Whatever, okay. We'll find a... Okay, well, because of how high up the masts were, and because of that fucking gap, maybe we'll get, like, an item that can make us jump better.
Maybe the mayonnaise.
Yes. Anna learns how to jump good.
Okay. Okay, what's over here? Ooh.
See, another jump.
Okay, it's a purple guy. Hold on. I'm going for it. Oh. Oh, that works here. Hello.
Thank you. I don't know what I would have done without this.
No problem. I'm known for fucking.
It's difficult to make this kind of equipment.
Anything else? Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Well, that's it.
Okay. Okay, is there anything else? Anything? Okay, well, there's this. Fucking Weeball. Fucking
Nope.
Weeball.
Okay, well, we should probably leave the caves now.
Yeah. Still. Oh, that guy looks kind of cool, though. Like his nose.
Yeah, I like that, man.
Yeah, you got a cool nose. You got a cool schnoz. Okay, there's still this, but... I mean, maybe we can find an alternate route to get up there, but,
Yeah, I don't know.
I can just hear the fucking clink, clunk. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is, yep, the way back. Alright, well, we found the third pet. Now we just need to find the last one and we could get some money.
Yeah,
Oh, wait, hold on.
get some.
How come we didn't notice? This is a fucking tent over here.
Well, should we go in?
Oh, that's what, I mean, there's no other option.
Okay.
Ooh. Fucking wizard.
I shall be happy to explain everything to you. One person can be in two places at once. Although, the magician does not have to be in two places at once. He can be in one place at one time.
You just killed that man.
Because he would be lost to the other person's mind. I'm glad we understand each other, Anna. You are here because you want to be. I can see it in your eyes.
I'm here for pending business with your
stupid boss! Firstly, I need to get more info on this pointless shit!
The bathroom! But of course! You are looking for it. That old witch is looking for it. Everyone these days is in search of the bathroom. Now, you didn't hear it from me, but the way to the entrance is... The way to enter the bathroom is through that giant orb you see in the sky past the bridge. But in order to reach it, we must create life itself. Now, go away, Anna, and get a life. That shall be yours today.
Okay. Alright. Let's just go find that pet, dude.
Oh yeah, I need research on the fuck to get out alive. You know, no, looking for a life. I know the recipe. Well, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure what. Pretty sure it might be from the other side. Okay. Oh, okay. This is our inventory. I get you.
Cool.
All right. Ooh, job updated.
Do the symbols on the fucking roulette on the jobs that says when you get a job started mean anything? I'm not entirely sure they do.
I'm not really sure. Maybe it ties back to the gambling thing. I'm not sure.
Wait, says damn, there was a guy under the fucking.
Okay, well, yeah, but I don't know if we could talk to him. Oh. The bus hasn't seemed to arrive yet. It's too early. Anything else?
Okay, well. No, well,
Okay.
okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Gotta find one more pet.
So wait, I'm presuming can I not cross the?
Esci dalla mia prospettiva.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I can't cross the bridge because I need to fucking help this guy cover this mayonnaise shit up. Okay, well, hold on. We haven't really checked out what the fuck Student Ty's doing over here. Not much. Oh, wait, can we get into the sleeve hole? We can.
Of course.
The heads!
Oh! Why is it?
Ooh.
Ooh, new section.
Okay, let's go over here then. Okay, well, I guess I'm going down. What the fuck is this Mario and Luigi type shit? Okay, what's over here? Oh, oh, hold on, I might, wait, hold on, what,
Oh, dumbass fucking Sam.
I'm sorry. Okay, what's down here? Okay, more winding path. Okay, the red wire. I mean, what did I? Oh.
Oh, well.
Oh. Eh. Oh. I'm gone.
Yeah, we're gone.
Maybe this is subtle foreshadowing.
That Enna's gonna die.
Oh, are we like already dead or some shit? Okay, hold on.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Is this the afterlife? Are those blob things specifically dead? What is happening?
Oh no, I'm scared. I want my binky. I want my binky.
we need to be okay. So we should go tell the taxi driver we. Oh. Well, do we still have to talk to him to get our money?
Well, no. We get our money if we get that guy's pets. But okay. Well, I'm pretty sure now if we interact with the taxi, we might get something new.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, where is the? Oh, big guy.
That makes more sense.
Damn.
What kind of work are you inmates offering to the public?
Okay, I get you. Want to take a ride?
I mean, sure.
All right. Hey, now you're going to the taxi.
I guess we just lay down.
Is he gonna like toss it or some shit?
Oh, we're here. I think this is a good point to stop.
Oh my god, yeah. Okay.
The fucking pause screen is scary.
I'm scared. I want my beaky.
This game is frightening and I love it.
Oh my god.
Okay, so we're definitely gonna do this more.
Alright, let's quit. Alright, holy shit, I have no words.
And you know what they say. The more the merrier. And then that's where you cut me off. The video just ends up there at that.